Hey guys, Rohan was cleaning his room and he found two water guns. He used to play holy with these water guns. He put one of the water gun's tip in the water and pulled the shaft. This sucked the water into the gun just like we suck a cold drink with a straw. The other water gun was kept as it is. Later, he connected both of them with a rubber tube and sealed it so the water will not leak. But Rohan could only hold one water gun at a time. So he fixed the empty water gun to a leg of the table with the tape and held the water gun filled with water in his hand. Then Rohan pushed the shaft of the first water gun down and the water slowly got shifted into the other water gun. So the shaft of the fixed water gun started to rise. This is because the molecules of liquid can move and hence the pressure at one point spreads throughout the liquid. Here, the pressure applied at one shaft reached the other shaft and it got lifted. Rohan took a note in his diary. Unlike solids, the pressure on a liquid spreads throughout the liquid. Rohan placed a toy car on the other shaft and pushed the first shaft down. The other shaft and the toy car started to rise. Rohan quickly made another note in his diary. Mini hydraulic jack. A hydraulic jack is a device which can lift very heavy objects like a car with much smaller force. Imagine the rubber tube was a small liquid chamber and the two water guns were at the openings of that chamber. One opening is purposefully made very narrow and its lid can be pushed down like the shaft of the water gun. The second opening has a huge surface area and on its lid you can even place a real car. When you push down the first lid with a small force, because the area of the opening is very small, the pressure is sufficiently large. This pressure is transferred on the lid at the other end. The lid is pushed up and the car is lifted slightly. This can be repeated until the car is lifted sufficiently for any repair work to be done. Rohan is a master of innovation. Would you not want to follow his steps? That's all for today.